I'm not even saying $10 a foot. I'm taking you straight to $12 a foot, because if you're booked out that far already, you will be making way more money, and then you're going to start closing these $12 a foot jobs, and you're going to be like, why the hell am I doing these $8 a foot jobs, right? And so, and what I would tell you to do too is at that point is some of these if you get these jobs closed for 10, $12 a foot, then you start putting them up there right now. I went to $12 a foot last week. Laugh out loud, South Tampa. All right. Well, you may need to go more then. You may need to go more. Don't turn people away. You need to keep raising your prices. Go to $14 a foot, and you will be shocked at these. I always say people are stupid. If people are willing to spend that kind of money, they're stupid. And so the other thing is, if you go to $14 a foot, then you can hire other people to put them up, and it's a lot easier to find somebody else to hire it or someone that needs to do it. So that is definitely something that I would highly recommend for you to do is to keep it moving and keep it going forward. Would it be worth having a sample for those who are on the fence?